with all the drama going on with the cryptocurrencies, we are seeing volatility in the weekend for Bitcoin, and we also seeing new different trends going on here. If you see that gold is still badly hurt in the monthly charts, so we can say that the end is here, but it looks things are more stabilized because the talk now in the street is that the Federal Reserve will not be able to go up above 3.5%, and that's what all the YouTubers and all traders are warning, that the Federal Reserve is trapped and they can go higher than 3%. So the market is discounting a recovery in a year. So that means that the Nasdaq will try to recover, because they are already pricing that the Federal Reserve will go back down after raising interest rates. That's the story now. That's the story. It's not backtested by anyone. So you see crude oil is showing some weakness, and that weakness means that prices of stocks are recovering. And this story is correlated with the increasing and the recovery of the US dollar against the ruble, the Russian ruble. So you have lots of days, almost a whole week, that the US dollar was up against the ruble. Remember, crude oil is looking still weak in the weekly chart, and it's giving signal that it could correct even more after all these rumors of war, of food shortages, and much more. The fact that Bitcoin moves is recovering and it touched a retracement on the 38 level, it means that Bitcoin is stabilized in the daily charts, but there are too many things going on. We have exchange failing every single week, so the noise is not over, and this month we get a July 27 interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve. So we have to be careful because the game is not finished. So it's like we are being a pause, and there are some players betting that everything is back to normal and you can go back and keep trading and having fun. But the reality is that we are in a pause, and the bearish risk and all the risks, we are receiving news. Everybody is watching the news from Sri Lanka. Argentina is under stress in the currency risk, and the euro is going to parity, and it could go way below parity because they are trapped, and they are trapped in the forward curves, as we've been warning with the old sailor of inflation seas. The euro is trapped, and the complete destruction of the yen, that it went completely destroyed, but it started to look topish in the daily charts. So gold, let's go first to gold again. Gold is risking a test of this level here, which is below 1700, and it's not enough. But from a seasonal point of view, July and August should be the area where the gold bearishness should stop. In the case of silver, let's go silver. I read a report that I checked the premiums in Singapore, and there are no premiums, so they are selling all the way, and the physical is there, and the physical is available. So there is no the drama that there is a silver short squeeze, and there is not there. So I test one of the bullion dealers in Singapore, and they have plenty silver bars for extremely low prices. So the market is well supplied. Silver is also showing that weakness as it tests new lows. If you see there the chart, in the few last 3 days, there was some selling pressure onto the new lows. So it means that silver maybe it's not finished yet. So you have to be cautious here if you want to buy. See if it could go even lower. Crude oil is giving a signal. The weekly charts are still not bullish, and the monthly charts are not bullish either. On the contrary, the crude oil charts looks not really bullish at all. Cryptocurrency has been stable for the last few weeks, moving in a range with the top the 38 Fibo retracement level. But the game is not over for crypto. So if you want to run and buy crypto, well, it's a risky game because they could be punished down again back to the lows and test and create new lows, because we are in the middle of a rate cycle, and as they keep moving interest rates, new exchange, new people will go bust. That's the most likely. And a very important guy, a very important YouTuber who warned about the crash of Luna in advance, 1 month in advance, just published that we may see a new crypto black swan in the market, a crypto black swan. I have access to the Wall Street Raider. I made a Wall Street Raider, is a stock market simulation game for all times, and this was the video game. I made an alliance with the CEO and developer of this PC game. I will be launching soon, relaunching soon with the owner. And if you go to the description down below, you can access to this wonderful PC game. It's the most advanced stock market simulation game of all times. So I hope you enjoyed this update. Thank you very much.